Alright guys, you want to protect your favorite phone, your laptop, your tablets. Hey guys, we got brand new monthly plans with GOCARE, and there's all type of insurance out here, but our GOCARE plans, guys, will protect your iPads, your iPhones, your tablets, your Android phones, your MacBooks, your laptops. And we have now we have new monthly plans starting at just $8 a month. Let's come over here and let's just click on iPhone, because a lot of people have iPhones out here. No matter what phone you got, we can get it protected. Now, as you see, our $7.99 monthly plan, which is new, and then we have our yearly plan for $69. 2 years gives you $107. 3 years gives you $149. Now, if you guys are on those 2-year contracts, you can get these plans here. But if you now have a prepaid phone, and one of the things I want to say about this monthly plan is, if you got a prepaid phone, I would suggest getting the monthly plan, because people always switch out phones on prepaid. 2-year contracts, more than likely you're locked in for 2 years unless you upgrade your phone. But one of the things you can do here, ladies and gentlemen, is that you can always transfer your plan to a different phone. But as I said before, these are your different. We got the iPhone 4, iPhone 5, iPhone C, and 5S. And whether you get a monthly plan, you just pay $8, and if you get the yearly, these are your options. Now, for the yearly deals, you're only going to pay $50 deductible, and for the monthly plan, you're only going to pay $100 deductible. Now, I can tell you right now, guys, that that's the cheapest deal in the business, because there are plans out there for deductibles. I've seen over $200 for just a deductible, and we have a deductible starting at $50 for our yearly plans, and only $100 deductible for our monthly plans. And so this is what we do. We protect you against drops, spills, liquid damage, and more. This is backed by an insurance company called Linden Insurance. And we cover working phones, old phones, or new phones, and you get a 30-day money guarantee. Now, we have unlimited repair claims. Now, some of these places, you only get maybe 2 or 3 claims, but we give you unlimited protection. So let's check this out. Now, as I went to and I explained, how many claims you can get. You only get 2 claims with Verizon, 2 claims with AT&T, 2 claims with Sprint, but ours is unlimited claims, and our 2-year plan, $107. So if you're on Sprint, Verizon, AT&T, you see, this is accurate. This is what you're going to be paying. As far as what you're going to be paying for the 2 years, our 2-year plan is only $107. Now let's look at your deductibles. All 3 carriers, $200 deductible. Our yearly plan is only $50. Okay, and we cover new devices, used devices, same-day replacement, check, and a buyback protection plan, check. Okay, so we have an A rating with the Better Business Bureau. So for those of you guys who base your decision based on what kind of rating that the company has, you can go through this site and you can check out all the things that we cover. You get a loaner phone. We protect jailbroken cell phones. So if you have some software in that phone, it's been jailbroken, it's been unlocked, we got you covered. Data recovery. We can recover your data, your photos, and everything else. And liquid damage, we cover you on that. Accidental damage. No purchase deadline. So why would it make sense to come over to GOCARE and get your phone protected? We got the best prices. We are competitive in the marketplace. You won't find anybody else out here with a better price and lower deductible. So what you need to do, guys, whether you have an Android device, here's something else too. If you don't see your phone, don't flip out, because what you're going to do now, we got your S5s, your S4s, we got those covered as well. So I wanted to say, if you don't see your phone, you can always click on Other and get your phone protected. What you're going to do is you're going to be sending in a email picture to the company, to our tech support team, front and back, and then we're going to be able to, because we got to make sure that you are not, making a fraudulent claim on a phone that doesn't exist. So you need to have an ESN number. You need to be able to, go into the phone settings and pop that up. Dial star pound 06 pound on your phone. We need the ESN number to that phone. It's almost like getting the VIN number to your car. So with that being said, guys, this is one of the best opportunities out here to get your phones protected and your tablets. If we go through here, we can get your tablets protected as well, get your iPads protected. We just simply go by, you click the value, what you think the value of your device is. If it's brand new, click the highest value, because and that's important, because if something happens and we can't fix the phone, we need to be able to make sure we get you the same value device back to you. But over 95% of the time, we can get your phone, we can get your laptop, we can get your tablet. Okay, we can get all that. We can get it fixed. As I said, this company has an A rating, okay, with the Better Business Bureau. That's important. And just check out our comparison list with the carriers. I mean, we got the best prices in the business right now. So with that being said, click on About underneath this video. It's going to take you directly to my GOCARE site. Pick your plan up, ladies and gentlemen. We got that new monthly plan for your phones. But the tablets, you're looking at a yearly plan. But it's up to you. Like I said, if you're on a 2-year contract, it just makes sense to go ahead on and get you a yearly or 2-year plan. But if you're on that prepaid, then just go ahead on and get the monthly. A lot of people like the monthly plans because they feel like, hey, if I get a new phone, I want to be able to just swap my service over to my new phone. 2-year contracts, like I said, you're locked in for at least a year before you can do an upgrade. So you might as well just go ahead on. If you break that screen on that iPhone or that Samsung, I guarantee you're coming out of pocket about $200-300 just to get the phone fixed. When you only get a $50 deductible over here, that's all you pay. And then we do have over 160 to 70 nationwide repair shops, so you may be able to take your phone in locally with your coverage with your phone, your covered coverage with your phone, and get it fixed, and they'll give you a loaner phone until they repair your phone. So how much does it cost you to fix that phone if you don't have insurance? Listen, I'd rather have it and not need it than need it and not have it. God bless.